everybody, today we're going to install the Linux-based operating system Ubuntu onto your computer in just a few minutes. For this, you'll need two things: a USB with at least 16 gigabytes of storage and a power cable to keep things charged and avoid any surprises with your battery. Plug in the power cable and the USB and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the website Rufus to download the latest version of the software. All of the links will be found in the description. Rufus is a tool that will allow us to create the bootable USB. Next, go to the Ubuntu website to download the latest version of the ISO image. This is the file that we're going to copy onto the USB. Once Rufus and the ISO image are downloaded, open your Downloads folder and launch Rufus. In Device, select your USB. Keep in mind, all of the data on it will be erased. In Boot Selection, choose the Ubuntu ISO image you just downloaded. For the rest, leave the default settings and click Start. You can go ahead and keep this on recommended mode. A message will remind you one last time that all of the data on the USB will be deleted. Go ahead and click Confirm, and let the formatting process finish up. This should take a few minutes. Once it's done, click Close, then shut down your computer. On restart, quickly press F12 or Delete, depending on your model, several times to access the BIOS. You should see a menu like this. Choose your USB and click Enter to confirm. A menu will appear. Select the first option, Try or Install Ubuntu, then click Enter. Ubuntu will start. From here, select the installation language, click Next, set the keyboard to English, and skip the internet connection for now. Then click Try Ubuntu. And that's it! Ubuntu is now running directly from your USB. Take some time to explore the system, and if you're convinced, you can install it permanently by following the installation procedure. Have a good day!